a bird perched on the door of my closet. He's just like looking around like, what's going on? He's like scared shitless. Oh, this is the second bird that I've gotten caught in my apartment. Like, oh my god, it just flew right at me. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god. Whoa! He's flying around my place. I'm videotaping this right now. Oh my god, Chuck just caught him. Oh, it's over for the bird. Oh, I'm sorry, birdie. It's over. Chuck is a hunter. Oh, the bird got away. The bird got away. He's flying around. Holy motherfuck. This is awesome. Whoa! Whoa! The bird just hit me in the forehead. Ow! Just hit me in the forehead. Holy shit. This is going on YouTube for sure. Oh my god. Oh, Chuck got him. We got it. Oh. They just ran through my legs. Holy shit. It's like only in Owen Nelson's life do I have birds, raccoons, like all this crazy shit coming. Oh, Chuck. Oh, it might be over for the bird. I'm gonna just open the blinds so he can. Oh man. This bird's resilient, I'm telling you. He's been in my apartment like all night long. He must have been because... It's okay, buddy. I know he's gonna fly at me. It's okay. Oh. Where'd he go? It's okay. Look, I'm gonna catch you. Then I'm gonna let you free. 1 second, alright? Oh my god. No. Don't go down there. Come here. Ow. Okay. I'm not scared of birds. It's just... Okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal, bird. You can't dig your talons into me. I'm trying to, like, catch... This is the second... Alright. Look. You're making it really difficult for... You know, I'm just going to let my cat kill you. Because... Oh, it's over for this bird. It's over. Chuck! I think he killed him. Hey! Let him go. Here. Hey! No. Here's the deal, bird. If you don't let me catch you, you're going to die. I've raised a cat on Rambo. All the Rambos, all the diehards, pretty much everything that you can... Alright, where'd he go? Okay, now he's in my clothes. I don't know where he went. Oh, is he in my... Now he's camouflaged. Now I'm scared to go. I feel like I'm gonna step on him. I have no idea where he is. Alright, let's see. Don't want to step on you. I don't know where you are, though. So if I crush you to death, it's your own fault. Oh. How the hell did you even get in my place? My window was open. Alright. I gotta get this fucking bird out of here. Alright, so... Chuck, you want to just hunt this bird? Because I don't have time for this. I don't know, he's hiding somewhere in my place.